we're gonna go check out a cool new restaurant that is opening this week, 4-8 Fried Chicken. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Eric and today we are in Old Town Cottonwood, Arizona. Cottonwood is right here on Main Street, and there's lots of different tasting rooms, so we find ourselves here to enjoy some Arizona wine quite often. And there's also some good locally owned eateries, and the newest one of those is here that we're visiting today, 4-8 Fried Chicken. Which is owned by Maynard James Keenan. You might know him, he's the lead singer of a band called Tool. He actually lives in the area, and when he's not touring or making wine locally, he is also a restaurateur. So we had to check this out, it's the top of our list. So we just finished having our wonderful fried chicken, and I wanted to share a couple tips for when you look to go and try this place out. First of all, highly recommend. Really delicious fried chicken, and it's like one of those things where you're like, can you really screw this up? Well, unfortunately sometimes you can screw fried chicken up, but they did a really good job here. Super juicy. And we figured out the secret as to why they had really juicy fried chicken, that really crispy outer layer, is that they actually sous vide the chicken. So basically they boil it and get it to temperature, and they have it all wrapped, and then they actually have a spice mix with it, and they do that for 48 hours and prep the chicken. Then they cook the chicken in that same prep bag, and then after that, then they finish with the frying. So that way you have retained all the moisture inside and then been able to still have that wonderful crispy outside fried that we all love, that really makes fried chicken fried chicken.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Since it was our first time, we had to get more than the chicken. So we also tried the hushpuppies that they had. And we got a few different sides, including a couple that even come with the 4-piece combination that we got, which had a couple chicken breasts, a leg, a wing, and you get a couple sides with it. So we chose the green chili shells and cheese, the green beans with bacon, and also hushpuppies. And so we just had a little bit of everything, wanted to try that out. Even washed it down with a cold brew. We've also been tasting some wine already, so at the end of our day here, wanted to do kind of a late lunch, early dinner. So a cold brew that they make inside house as well was a good way to finish it. They do have a bar that has all of their wines, and also it's a meadery as well. Either one of those will help you wash down in a good pairing with the fried chicken and the sides. Great attention to detail and thoughtful preparation of all the dishes that we had. And overall, the pricing was really affordable as well. The chicken meal that we had that we actually split with a couple of the other sides that came with it was just 20 bucks. So it's hard to get good quality food for even around 20 bucks nowadays, especially going out to eat. And so having that and then be able to add a couple extra sides to it and beverages was a really affordable meal overall, but really high quality as well. All in all, it met our expectations, and we're really happy to have another really good food option here that's in the Old Town Cottonwood area. It's about half hour west of Sedona. So if you're visiting that, we'd highly recommend you come and go on the main street here of Old Town, check out some of the local wineries for some Arizona wine, and get some good eats. There's lots of good locally owned restaurants, including the one that we visited today. Bingo! If you haven't already, subscribe and make sure you watch this video next about some of our wine travels in Arizona, and we'll see you on the next video.